rock cycle. Here we go. So rock cycle, page 6 of the reference table, you have this chart. And this really talks about the processes that have to occur for rocks to form. So for instance, for an igneous rock to form, it forms from magma. You have to have solidification, has to happen. For magma to form from a metamorphic rock, it has to be melting. Or from a sedimentary rock to become magma, melting. So these are all processes here. And oftentimes questions on the Regents exam about this. You can go right here, and it was a huge help. Students often know it in their head, but just use this as a guide because it will really help. Here are some examples. So this process, this is an igneous rock. There was a lot more to this. I gave you a chart here. It says identify 2 processes that formed this rock. So it's an igneous rock. So go to this page of the reference table, and you want to, a good answer here is melting, because it has to be some melting because it comes from magma. So melting is a good example from magma. And then the another example is solidification. Okay, so your answer could be melting, solidification, and actually not in there, kind of unique, not in there. You could have written cooling, because that has to happen for something to become liquid, to become solid. So any 2 of those, but if it asks for 2, make sure you write 2. Okay, that's important. Here's another one. Which geologic processes are most likely responsible for the banding and alignment of mineral crystals represented in diagram B? Geologic processes. So let's go here. And so this is what? It's alignment of minerals. You have to recognize this to be a metamorphic rock. It doesn't tell you, but the banding and alignment, you have to know in your head that that's a metamorphic rock. So you're looking for processes that form a metamorphic rock. And so you're looking at metamorphic rock here. It's going to be all the arrows going toward it. So heat and or pressure, metamorphism, heat and or pressure, metamorphism. So this is the choice here. Heat and increasing pressure, choice number 2. Thanks for watching.